Greetings! This recording covers the lesson on Fundamentals of Illustration. At the end of this lesson, you must have, first, differentiated between illustration and technical drawing, second, described the significance of illustrations, and third, identified available illustration software. Let us start with differentiating between illustration and technical drawing. Illustration refers to a drawing, painting, or printed work of art which explains, clarifies, illuminates, visually represents, or merely decorates a written text which may be of a literary or commercial nature. It falls somewhere between graphic design and art. Illustration is divided into two main categories based on the techniques used. These are traditional illustration and modern style. Traditional illustration includes wood cutting, pencil, charcoal, lithography, watercolors, acrylics, and pen and ink, while modern style includes freehand digital and vector graphics. Both illustration and drawing are well-known art categories used through centuries to deliver a message to the audience in the visual form with the help of different tools. Both work best when seeking the attention or wanting to awaken a specific feeling of a viewer without any additional words, but primarily with graphics. Despite the similarities of illustration and drawing, they differ in certain aspects. Drawing can be part of the illustration, but cannot be another way around. Illustration evolved from drawing. Moreover, illustration requires a set of tools different from drawing. Now, let's proceed with the significance of illustration. Fang 1996 identified the following functions of illustrations in picture books. Illustrations establish setting. They define and develop characters. They extend or develop plot. They provide a different viewpoint. They contribute to textual coherence, and they reinforce text. The following are the significance and effects of illustration in graphic design according to Yon. Supplementary content of graphic design, presenting the graphic design information, enhancing visual impact of graphic design, and endow graphic design with emotion. Moving on to the available illustration software, the following are only some of the available nowadays. Adobe Photoshop, Affinity Designer, Procreate, Vectornator, Adobe Illustrator, Inkscape, ArtRage, Gravity Designer, Iris-Design, Gradient, Autodesk Sketchbook, and Vector. This marks the end of our lesson on Fundamentals of Illustration.